Okay, so the sun came out. And I'm not too sure what I'm supposed to do now in Portland, Oregon. The sun came out, and well, I'm gonna get a coffee at a chain called Jack in the Box, and say hello to a couple people and see if there's the same people that they were the other day, all week when it's raining. Wow. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. It's like a different town. I feel like I'm in an AMC television show, like Walking Dead or something. Strange. Since I'm having a coffee, it's almost a crime that I'm in Portland. I'm having this Jack in the Box, whatever the hell this is, because a friend of ours told us about the best coffee on the planet in Portland, where they get their own beans from their own farm, and they're grown in soil that was, blessed and fertilized and pooped on by virgin lambs or something. Anyway, they brew it, each cup custom brewed or pressed or whatever. I'm gonna go have that in a little while, maybe today or tomorrow, but here I am. What is this? Does anybody know what this is? Is this the Jack in the Box mascot? What is this? What kind of world are we living in?